Welcome everybody to the channel Bullets Garage coming at you, and I have an exciting video for you today. I am going to reveal my brand new wheels for the Lexus GsF. So I know I teased you guys yesterday about what the wheels are with the box. I just got back from a trip, so today I got them out of the boxes. I got them laid out in front of me, which I'm going to show you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into some beautiful B-roll of these beautiful VOSSEN HC2 forged. So these beautiful VOSSEN wheels that I got them used, but they're in 100% mint condition. Super excited for them. Full retail for these are about $8.5K for the fully forged VOSSENs. I got them for a great deal. I'm not going to disclose pricing. Deal compared to what they are new. I'm so excited to have these wheels in my possession and to rock them and represent VOSSEN.